This is warning video for all Shibano holder, my friends. Binance will list Shibano and the innovation zone, my friends. Innovation zone, my brother. So FVT card, my brother, this time the risk very risky, my friend. This time you can see here risk warning FVT card this time. Please note that as is of the time of writing the top 1 2 hashtag 1 2 3, 5 wallets hold 50%, 7.0% and 3.0% of total supply respectively. So this is the word warning, my friends. You listen. Shiba is a relatively new token. The process at a higher than a normal risk. Yes, absolutely, this is new token, my friend, in the crypto market. So this is the main risk to this is the new, my friend, and especially this is very highly risk, my friend, risky from a lot more coin, my friend, especially from Dogecoin, like Dogecoin. So exactly this is more risky, my friend, Shiba. So and is a such a will likely be subject to high price volatility after the Binance listing. Please ensure that your exercises sufficient risk management, have done your own research and regards to Shiba fundamentals, and fully understand the project before opening to trade the token. You can see here, this is the second warning. The third warning, the innovation zone as detected trading zone where users are able to trade new innovative tokens that are likely to have higher volatility and pose a higher risk the other tokens. Absolutely, my friend, this is very risky because from other token like other coin, you can see this time a Dogecoin, if you want to invest and if you want to especially use the wallet of Binance, then absolutely it is not risky like that, but this is very risky, my friend. So kindly be safe and be focused before being able to trade. And the innovation zone, all users are required to visit the web version of the innovation zone trading page to carefully read the Binance terms of use. Absolutely, this is very important. First of all, you my friends, read the all terms and condition of Binance, and then, my friends, you invest now. So cryptocurrencies trading is subject to high market risk. Please make your trades calculatedly. Binance will be make efforts to choose high quality coins, will be not be responsible for your trading losses. You can see here will be not. So remember this risk. This is specially warning for all Shibano holder. To if you want to invest in more coin, then absolutely Shibano is not like more coin, my brother. Kindly be carefully invest now and be carefully, my friends, trading now. So this will be very important. All right, so if you want to more details about the Shibano fees, about the rules, about the Shibano, my friend, our contact address, everything, my friend. So just only tell us in a comment box. I update you more and more. Thanks for watching all whole video. This video is informative for you. To like this video, subscribe this channel. Allah Hafiz, take care.